Let's take a look at what's going on out there, guys. We've got about 66 degrees coming in right now from Midway, 64 at O'Hare and Waukegan, 67 degrees from McHenry, 57 degrees for Aurora, and about 59 degrees to Cal. All right, what are we looking at? Couple showers out there. Nothing terrible. It's out near Rockford. Rest of the area is dry. Later today, showers and storms are going to fill in the gap, but take a look. It's a sunny start to our Thursday. Storms are possible for us more so after 4 p.m. today. We're looking at glorious weather starting tomorrow. Let's take a peek at Bears versus the Broncos preseason, 7 p.m. tonight, about 77 degrees. We could see a chance of a scattered shower or storm out there, so please keep that in mind. Maybe a bit of an issue coming into the back half of the day. Other than that, though, we're really looking at a great forecast period for us. Again, about 83 degrees the high temperature today, 30% chance of showers and storms that comes in primarily in the latter half of the afternoon, more so into the evening. It should wrap up, though, by 9 or 10 o'clock tonight. And again, it doesn't impact everybody, but more so out to the far north and west. For your Friday, 79 degrees, plenty of sunshine. We'll have temperatures in the 70s and low 80s pretty much all the way across the board starting tomorrow, going through the middle of next week. All right, guys, let's take a look at what's going on out there today. Soldier Field, beautiful picture. You're going to find nice, clear, sunny skies for a vast majority of the daylight hours today. But by the afternoon, the clouds start to build. The showers and storms begin to fire up. And there is a possibility that could impact a portion of tonight's first preseason game. It starts at 7 o'clock tonight, Bears versus the Broncos. Temperature, though, great, about 77 degrees, and any kind of rain that we have will not last for a long period of time, but pretty quick moving. 79 degrees at Midway right now, 79 O'Hare, 71 degrees Waukegan, 78 for DeKalb, and about 78 degrees, too, around Kankakee. We've got dry conditions here, mostly on the radar. We've had a few showers around parts of McHenry and Lake counties. Those are now heading out over the lake. Rest of the area, though, looks nice and easy and good. Futurecast model will show spotty showers and storms again. Here's at about 5:30 tonight. There's Soldier Field. We see that possibility going through. Now, it's kind of rimming the area. I don't know that it's going to move through, as I mentioned, right there in the heart of the city, but we do have that possibility into the back half of the afternoon and into the early evening. Showers clear pretty early on Friday. By the way, the Hurricane Center had to up their predictions for how many hurricanes and named storms they'd see. They're now up to 14 to 19 before the season is over. 2 to 5 of those could be major hurricanes, which is Category 3 or higher. We were looking originally at Hurricane Franklin, now down to tropical storm status and dying out as we speak over the mountainous terrain of Mexico. That's what happens when tropical systems interact with land masses. Pretty much expected to be just a remnant low here, no longer much of an issue. Now, it will still be a major rainmaker, but the mountains have served to rip up the circulation of that system at this point. So for today, what are we looking at around here? Mostly sunny. We're going to find a possibility of some afternoon thunderstorm activity. Again, that comes into the mix in the afternoon. Marginal risk for severe storms, but only in the westernmost portions of our area. That means storms are likely dying out as they progress eastward and we lose the heat of the day. Sunsets just before about 8 o'clock tonight. Southwesterly winds anywhere from 5 to 20 miles an hour. So there is a possibility of some thunderstorm activity tonight. It's mostly early, not so much the overnight time period, but earlier on in the evening. Southwesterly wind from 5 to 10. Into the day tomorrow, sun and clouds, gorgeous, 79 degrees. It's perfect. Westerly wind 5 to 10. Beautiful out there. And this we can just plug and play pretty much all the way through the next several days. So what we're looking at essentially is a carbon copy from Friday all the way through Wednesday, maybe up or down a few degrees, but that's about it. We're upper 70s, low 80s across the board. Today's the one day with a little more interest to it, and it's with the form of showers and storms. Again, that's coming into play anytime after about 5 o'clock primarily. Could be a little bit earlier out to the west, but it's not real widespread. Just there is a possibility.
Now, you're just back from vacation, and this wasn't you just copy-pasting everything. It's that.
Maybe I was. Maybe I was. Thankfully, it falls in line with the forecast.
There you go. Welcome back, Megan.
Got lucky. And thanks.